breaking news that we are getting to our viewers is the Enforcement Directorate has traced two big purchases of real estate in Mumbai by Riya Chakravarti. Two high-value properties have been purchased by Riya Chakravarti. At the moment, our sources in the Enforcement Directorate tight-lipped about the location where these purchases have taken place. But these are two high-value properties that Riya Chakravarti has purchased in Mumbai in recent times. Even the dates have been kept under wraps as of now. But the money laundering angle, the fact that there was a charge by the family that money has been taken away, there were charges of credit cards of Sushant Singh Rajput that had been cloned or had been given as add-ons to Riya, and the fact that there are companies that have been set up by Riya Chakravarti and her brother along with Sushant Singh Rajput, and now the Enforcement Directorate finding two properties, high-value properties being purchased excuse me, by Riya Chakravarti becomes the basis for the Enforcement Directorate now to summon Riya Chakravarti. Summons have been issued to her to appear before the Enforcement Directorate on the 7th of August, that is on Friday. So Riya Chakravarti, clearly the net closing in on her, and Enforcement Directorate asking for her to appear before the Enforcement Directorate. Bhavtosh Singh joins me live on this broadcast. Bhavtosh, the Enforcement Directorate moves in swiftly right after this case came up in the Supreme Court. Two high-value properties of Riya are now under the lens of the Enforcement Directorate, and summons being issued to Riya Chakravarti.
Navika, in fact, the notices have been issued to Riya Chakravarti, and even as we speak, the house manager who was apparently brought by Riya Chakravarti is still being quizzed by the Enforcement Directorate. Probably this is the biggest development that this case has seen in past 50 days. The main protagonist of the case, Riya Chakravarti, who has been under the scanner of the Bihar police right from the day when they registered the FIR around 7 or 8 days back. Riya Chakravarti has formally been called in for questioning by the Enforcement Directorate. The fact is that even when the matter was heard in the Supreme Court, no kind of relief was provided to her. So ED is within its right to question her, and it could be possible, very much possible, that the CBI will formally register an FIR in Sushant's death case on the basis of the FIR that was lodged by the Bihar police by tomorrow, because the file has already reached CBI. In fact, the director of CBI is going through it, but a huge and a big development has taken place. Riya Chakravarti, the main suspect in this case, has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. And what is most important is the fact that ED has managed to unearth something which Mumbai police and...
Well, yes, absolutely. Absolutely, Bhavtosh, that's a big development. The summons have been issued to Riya Chakravarti, and she'll have to respond to the investigation of the Enforcement Directorate. Thank you very much, Bhavtosh, for joining us with those details. We're taking a very short